Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, we show you how to remove a door panel and put it back on this 98 Toyota Corolla, same as any 98 to 02. We do the driver's front door. Should be similar for the passenger's front as well as the rears. The only tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver and a flat blade screwdriver. Okay, start by removing the front inside door handle. There's a little Phillips screw right there to remove. The handle slides forward and kind of pulls out. Now in behind, you can see there's a clip right there on a rod with the screwdriver. And then take the handle, push it up and off the rod and off. Okay, now you're going to pry up your switch panel here, pull it forward, and disconnect your lead. Okay, again using the screwdriver right under your armrest pad here. Pry that up. You can also pull off this trim panel here. Now there are two screws holding the armrest right there, and then a little clip right here. Little clip, just use a Phillips head, kind of turn it, put your fingernail under, pry out. Once it's out like that, it's all set. And remove these two screws. Speed up as we do that, and this is probably the most physically challenging part. Those screws kind of are in there, a little difficult to get out, but as long as you have a good Phillips screwdriver, you'll be all set. Okay, now just pull, use your fingernails, use your fingers, work them in underneath, and the door panel is just held in by a series of clips. Whoa! A little surprise is that clip came flying out. Now the proper way to do it. Pull on this one, just keep your hand over that. It's going to come out. And just lift the door panel right off. Okay, speed through putting them back together. Hang the door panel up. Make sure your lock button comes through the top. Okay, and then once you get it hung up, you can kind of look in behind and line up the clips. Kind of feel the pin and then the hole. Push it in. Make sure that you have your lock rod and your harness coming through. Then install the two Phillips screws that hold near the armrest base. And now you can reinstall the armrest. Just push it down, lock it into place, reconnect your power window switch, slide the back in first, then push the front down into place, reinstall your door handle, push it in, push it back to lock it into place, and then put the screw back in, and then the trim panel that goes up top near the mirror, and then the little clip in the back to hold it. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.